Perfect Belts Limited, an organization to manufacture exclusive spare parts for woven sacks, circular looms, tape lines, lamination and printing. PU Roller. In the manufacturing of PU rollers, the process starts with high-quality aluminum pipes and rods as raw material. These pipes are then cut into requisite sizes and dimensions using circular saw machines. Then, these parted pieces of aluminum pipes and rods are stored in racks in the raw material store for the next process. The parted inserts are then precisely machined using CNC machines to create the inner diameter, achieving 7 to 8 micron accuracy as specified by the designs. Then, these processed inserts are sent for CNC machining to process the outer diameter as per our drawings. These machined inserts are taken to the ultrasonic machine for cleaning with trichloroethylene. The cleaned inserts are then mounted onto mandrels and fixed for short blasting on the outer surface. The short blasted inserts are again taken to the ultrasonic machine for cleaning with trichloroethylene. Next, in a moisture-free room, adhesive is applied on the outer diameter of the inserts and they are left to rest for 1 hour. After this, a second coat of adhesive is applied over the first and left to dry overnight. Then, these adhesive-coated inserts are placed into polypropylene cup molds, forming a cavity for filling hot PU material around the inserts. The inserts, along with the molds, are then placed inside in an oven and heated at 120 degrees Celsius for 2 hours in order to activate the adhesive and synchronize the temperature with the PU material. These heated inserts and cups are then arranged in trays and filled with PU material using a 2-component PU casting machine from Bollé, France. The trays containing PU-filled inserts, enclosed in the cup molds, are again placed in an oven and heated at 80 degrees Celsius for 20 hours to achieve requisite quality and hardness. The polypropylene cup molds are then broken in a demolding machine to extract PU rollers, which are immediately inspected for any faults. Following these steps, the PU rollers are remachined to ensure utmost precision, up to 8 to 10 microns, on both inner and outer diameters. Dimensional accuracy and quality are maintained through pneumatic gauges installed on every CNC machine. Injection molding. The raw material used for molding various plastic components primarily consists of nylon 6 granules, reinforced with 30% glass fiber. This nylon composite is processed using high-precision plastic molding machines. The process begins by transferring the nylon granules into a hopper, where they undergo a preheating cycle to eliminate any moisture content. This drying phase typically lasts for a minimum of 2 hours. Once dried, the granules are fed into the screw and barrel assembly, where they are melted and homogenized under controlled heat and pressure. In their molten state, the material is then injected into the mold cavity, forming the desired shape of the component. After each molding cycle, the process is repeated for the next production shot. Finally, the freshly molded part is immersed in water to stabilize its shape and ensure material integrity. Perfect Belts Limited, manufacturing about 2,500 different spare parts in various sizes and dimensions. Our overseas business spans about 92 countries in Asia, Southeast, Middle East, Russia, Western and Eastern Europe, Africa, South and Central America. We have developed spare parts for most modern and efficient FX and RX series looms from Austria. We have achieved our ever best turnover of 180 crore, that is 25.7 million US dollars. Perfect Belts Limited. Speed up your business with us.